Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone is doing good. Let me know in comments how was your weekend? Did you enjoy the FIFA final World Cup final match? Good afternoon, Indian government. How are you? How was your weekend, bro? Did you take this trade, bro? That's nice, bro. Amazing. ये ट्रेड लिया आपने भाई? Good job. Good afternoon, Nashwa, bro. How are you? Yeah, all good, bro. Indian government. Just put your stop loss at break even and hold this trade. I think that we are going to see 4012 and 3990. 4012 and 3990 very soon. Let's see. Yeah, Indian government that was actually very fast, so don't worry. Uh, when I was writing 4039, at that moment price was 4040. So I thought because it can be a big wick, so I typed 4039. And when I hit enter, the price goes down very fast, like 4036. That's nice, Nashwa, bro. I hope you enjoyed the weekend. So this trade is going good. It is running 100 pips in profits. I was going to give this trade in the free group as well, but the price movement was very fast. Uh, that's why, uh, yes, Indian government, that's the good thing. You can do that. Yeah, Nasha bro, as I said previously that I was going to this trade in the free group as well, but the movement of the price was very fast, which makes me unable to send the trade in both groups. So I just drop this trade in the VIP group, running 100% profits. That's good. Well, I think 4025, 4012, 3990. These three are the main levels for this trade. Let's see. The stop loss is at break even. So if it hit the stop loss at break even, so we have nothing to lose. So we are all good. The reason why 4025 because it's almost the end of this bullish candle, and 4012 is the previous lowest support, and then 3990 here. 3990 is actually this demand zone, this one. So we can try a buy at 3990, 3988. We can try a buy there. But yeah, if not, then our final TP will be 3977. Hope for the best now. Currently, we have these levels 4025, 4012, and 3990. Currently, the price is just resisting because of this support area, the previous high. It is just resisting and touching this level for just a retest purpose. So if we break this, then I think 4013 is very easy. The price action should make a bearish engulfing candle, which can be a best confluence for us because it will be making inverse fair value gap here, and then at the pullback 402524, if we get that at the pullback, we can do a re-entry at 4025 for the inverse fair value gap, and then we can target the more lows like 3990, 3977, something like that. The 5 minute candle is going good, all good. 4028. All right. So the parallel channel is also good. So if we- the volume, it is 4016. The VWAP is also good. I think it is just above our current candle. Let's see, it is loading. Why it is not showing? What happened to VWAP? What happened to VWAP? It is not showing. Anyways, I think must be a technical error. I think today actually my internet is seems like very slow. Probably maybe because of that. All right, 4027 hit. The price action is going good. I have shared the link, bro. Nashua, bro, I shared the link. I have shared the link in the Telegram public channel that I am live. Yeah, Nashua, I think there can be some reason for this. Our TP3 is gonna hit very soon. Okay, I think I can give one more signal near this level. I think there can be one more signal. We'll give in both groups. It can be the extension of the previous signal. Alright, our TP3 got hit. Congratulations. The price, the trade is running almost 150 pips. Let me mark our TP is here as well for the previous entry. Oh, what are these emojis? We don't need that. Just copied this one from the VIP group. SL is at break even. Okay, this is the previous signal ongoing, and very soon I'm gonna give one more signal here if we break this line. Okay, right after hitting the TP3, the price is giving us a little pullback. We can retry a new entry here. Let me know in comments if you guys are ready. Make sure to like the stream, guys, as well. Make sure that, guys, make sure to like the stream, guys. That's not fair, only 2 likes. Yes, Cindy Foreman, I will confirm the signal here on the live stream as well as in the both groups, the VIP one and the free one. So we'll share the signal everywhere. Just waiting for the price action to give me a little confirmation. It seems like the price wants to make a inverse fair value gap on 15-minute time frame. The first target at 4025 got hit, and now we are waiting for the price action to give us 4013. But if we break this supply zone, then this supply zone will become a breaker block, and then we can look for a buy entry from here, 4043, and we can target 4100 level. So we have both scenarios. Also, this supply zone is taken already. If you have watched my previous screenshots, which I have shared in both of the groups, you may have uh, some idea about this supply zone, which I have marked almost uh, 7 to 8 days ago. Yeah, I marked this supply zone on 16 July 2026, which is almost 5 days ago. So this supply zone is tapped now, And if the price goes again to this supply zone, this means that the sell is invalid, and then we can look for buy. Otherwise, we are all good to hold this trade till 4012 and 3990. Whereas the final TP is at 3977, which is only because if we can break this level, this demand zone, then we are all good to hit the final TP as well. Guys, you can also recommend the channel, the community with your fellow traders, with your friends, and everyone who wants to make the great money. So you can share the community with them as well, especially for free. Because as you know, the VIP is free now, so you can make massive money. Okay, the price is again at 4025, which means that actually the price wants to break 4019 threshold, then to hit 4012 level. Hello XTMX, how are you, bro? After a long time. Are you making good money with trading? Let me know. All right, the trend line I think is gonna broken very soon. 4022 hit, 4021. The next target is 4012. Let's ride the move. All right, 200 pips. Amazing. 200 pips have been grabbed. That's the real power of the analysis. Okay, this is the trend line as well, but this is very weak trend line. So I think we can break this as well because this was the previous resistance, which is now a support, and already the price have taken the liquidity on the upside. So I think this is the weak trend line, weak swap zone. We can break this very easily. We can hit 4012, whereas we have it 4018. So yeah, I think we can break this level very easily. If you see the bigger time frame, like 15-minute time frame, it is almost an inverse favorable gap. So I think if we get a pullback, we will see the price action taking the inverse fair value gap and then can start going down again. Because this supply zone was a powerful supply zone, I have already told you guys almost 5 to 6 days ago that whenever the price will come to this supply zone, we can get good movement from here. So yeah, it is now giving actually very good moves. We just have some hurdles in our way, just like the weak trend line and this support as well, this trend line as well. So yeah, if we break these, okay, 4012, what a massive drop. What a massive drop, guys. What a massive drop. The inverse fair value gap has been taken. What a massive drop, guys. Almost 300 pips have been achieved. That was wow. Amazing. Love the analysis. Love the trade. Make money. And yeah, 300 pips have been achieved, guys. Enjoy the trade now. Sunny bhai, you can also can book the partials here, or if you want to book the full trade, you can also do that here because on the pullback, I'm gonna announce a new entry as well. So we have time. We can do that. What a massive drop, guys. Today we have achieved almost 700 pips so far in just two trades, and the third trade is gonna announce very soon. What a massive drop, guys. Make sure to like the stream, guys. I think now I deserve the likes. Please like the stream and share it with your fellow traders. Let's wait for the new entry. I think we can get that. Re-entry is possible. Okay, the two blue lines which I have marked at 4025 and now at 4012 both have been hit. You can also watch this by going past into the stream. All right, Indian government, I think you should consider closing 0.01 lot here at 4012. You should not be greedy. So I think you should do that. Only hold one position of 0.01 till 4002 and you can close 0.01 here at 4012 as well. Or the other case, you can do that closing the 0.01 lot here and the rest of the 0.01 lot you can close that at 3990. All right, that's good. And Nashwa, I hope. Okay, you missed it. Don't worry, guys. The new signal is gonna coming dropping soon. So don't worry. At any pullback, we can get a new entry. Let's see, wait and watch. The currently the price is at 200 EMA, getting some support here. And as I have told you guys earlier, that this is a weak trend line, so we can break that very easily. And that is broken already, so we can delete that. Now that we have deleted the previous trend line, this one can be the strong trend line because we have 200 EMA as well. So this trend line can act as a strong trend line. So yeah, a pullback is possible here, but if not, the price is gonna drop soon to 3994, 3992 levels very easily. All right, Indian government, that's good. Make sure to like the stream, share it with your fellow traders, and get ready for the new signal if you get a if you get a good pullback. All right, so we grabbed 300 something pips. Those who have missed the trade, guys, don't worry. You can also consider joining the VIP group for free. So next time you can have a big opportunity like this one. Today we have made almost 700 pips in the VIP so far, 400 pips in the morning at this signal, this one, and just now 300 pips as well. So consider joining the VIP group for free. It's a win-win situation for you. And okay, this is a good range here. 4001 can be the next stop. 4001. We have small demand zone here as well. There's a small demand zone. So 4001, 4006 can be the next stop. Let's see. Now that our trade is running good, we have inverse fair value gap as well. We have actually two inverse fair value gaps. The first one is this one. Let me do it correctly. The first one is this one, and the second one is this one. So the trade is strong now. I think we can go down more deep. If we hit 3982 or 3985, if we hit 3985, our final TP can be 3957 or 56, something like that. But yeah, it depends on the conditions. For now, we have final TP at 3977 because we can also try a buy here. It's a buy trade on 5 minute time frame, I guess. Yes, on 5 minute time frame. So if we get the price at 3973, we can try a buy here. And if we get the price at 3988, we can consider moving our final TP to 3958. It all depends on the price action. These are just the ideas for now. Let me know in chat. Do you want the next signal? Let me know. Okay, I think if we get a good breakout of this trend line, we can re-entry at 4015 in a sell side with the same targets. If we get a good breakout, then we can try doing a re-entry at 401516 because it's being a retest there. So yeah, let's see. And if we see 1 minute time frame, so yeah, 1 minute time frame is saying the same thing. We can consider doing a sell entry at 4015 if we get a good breakout. So yeah, this is the new trade idea. All right, seems like a good breakout. 4009 got hit. Uh, Nashwa, you are right because today there was no news in the New York session and obviously no news in the London session. So it was a very slow day today actually because most of the European markets are closed today and it was the only good move which thankfully we have grabbed at. Overall, it was a very slow day. Yeah, Crazy Alien, you are right. There are endless opportunities in the market. Yeah, Mondays are almost always like that. Mondays and Fridays are always like that. And I'm going to do share one more news update with you guys that from 26th of July, it is almost 80% confirmed that the CME group is going to announce that the traders all across the world can now trade on Saturdays and Sundays as well. Now, traders who want to trade gold can also trade on weekends. But yeah, obviously because weekends are like banks are closed on weekends, so yeah, there will be very less volatility in the market. But the CME group is going to announce from 26th of July 2026 that the traders all across the world who want to trade gold can now trade the gold on weekends. So if we think we have 4 days of slow volatility and 3 days of high volatility. Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and for or will be the low volatility days, and the remaining days will be of high volatility. So if we can find only one trade on weekends, it's also a good thing. Only one trade on weekends is all good because I know there will be very less volatility. But if we have some geopolitical news on weekends, so yeah, we can avail that as well. Now we don't need to wait for the market open every morning on Monday to grab the gap type of trade. So yeah, yes, Nashua, your plan is good because we should always take those trades which are 100% confirmed or at least 90% confirmed. We should not risk our capital in the risky trades. We should always use and follow the A plus setups. Okay, it seems like this candle is not good. It seems like this candle is not good, guys. But yeah, depends on the next candle confirmation. Krishna bro, don't worry. We can grab one more trade as well. So we don't need to rush, bro. Don't worry. It was actually very fast trade, bro. Seems like this 5 minute candle wants the buyer to let in. This 5 minute candle wants buyer to do the entry here. It seems like this. And I think your stop loss at break even. Oh, okay, okay. Why crazy alien? Why you are going to stop trading? Yeah, Krishna, that can be the reason too. Okay, this is a demand zone, a small demand zone, but probably it can work. Krishna, we will wait for the price to give some reaction at 4004, so we can try a buy here as well. Meanwhile, our sell trade will be left on running. Yeah, but on 15-minute time frame, we have a massive fair value gap. This is the massive fair value gap. So if we are gonna buy here at 4004, we should close our trade at 4015. So it can be 100 pips of move only. Let me know in comments, guys.
if you want a buy trade at demand zone, it can be no more than 100 pips of move. So make sure. Okay, 4007 got hit. Price heading toward the demand zone. The low of demand zone is 4002 and the high is 4004. And our TP5 is at the low of this demand zone. Okay, resilient, good luck in your future endeavors. I hope you can establish your business very well. By the way, which business are you are going to open very soon? The actual and the main key reason for getting a success is consistency. If you are consistent with anything you want, you will be successful one day. It will take only 6 months or 12 months, probably no more than that. If you are consistent, you will get success automatically. And consistent doesn't mean that you just open your laptop and read about your business, do some chat GPT stuff, and do not execute your plan. Consistency means you should be disciplined, you should follow your plan, and you should execute your plan. The most important thing is execution. Most people just read, research, do some chat GPT type stuff, and imagination, something like that. And when the time comes for the execution, they got exhausted and leave that. So everything needs consistency with execution, because execution is the main thing which actually needs your confidence. If you have confidence, you can execute your plan. If not, then yeah, can be a difficult thing. Get a successful business, successful career. Consistency, discipline, and execution. These three are the main things. Okay, 4006 got hit. Let's see. Resilient. If you think that the trading is just eating your time, you should leave trading then. But yeah, I would suggest, if you are going to leave trading, then do not look back at trading for the next 6 to 12 months. Yeah. Give 6 to 12 months to your new business, become successful, and then you can look back at trading. Yeah, Krishna, I think the price gonna reject at this demand zone, because this is right on the level of trend line. And yeah, let's see. Okay, but a bullish move here, 4006. But why the price gives the bullish move here? I don't know. Must be a little pullback. We have 350 pips here, probably 350, 340, 340. You are welcome, Crazy Alien. Wishing you all the best. Indian government, where you put the buy limit, bro? 1 minute left in the candle close. You are right, Nasha, bro. Otherwise, we can't survive. I didn't saw that. Oh, all right. Those buy limits. You can consider closing that, bro, because I think that can be the more sell, because I already mentioned that if the price hit 4024, then the trade will be invalid, and in front of you the price hit 4039 actually, without taking our entry. So yeah, you can book your profits, Sunny bro. Nashua, the life pranked you, I think. Life is pranking you. Sunny, I think you should close the buy trades, because at 4014, 4015, there is inverse fair value gap, which can make things difficult for you. Nisar bro, which SL hit got, which SL hit bro? We are in profits. I don't understand which entry got hit the SL, because we are in massive profits, bro. Oh, okay, break even. Must be the buy limits, I think. Let's hope the price goes down to this demand zone, then we can look for the buy entries, just like this supply zone entry. And we have this massive fair value gap here as well. So okay, let's see where is the golden zone. Golden zone is far above this fair value gap, so I think the price can get some reversals from this fair value gap or from this trend line. I think we should look for 1 minute time frame. Yes, Nashua seems like that too. To see the golden zone on 1 minute time frame, the price is already within the golden zone range, that 4013, 4015, and seems like this demand zone can work. Yes, bro, that's why I am confused for this demand zone, because I think the price wants to go down to at least 3990 level, at least. So that's why I think we should look for sells more than the buys. But yeah, if we can get a good reaction at this demand zone, then at the pullback or retest, we can do the we can do a buy trade. Or if we get a big candle here at the demand zone, in that case we can also try a buy. But the maximum target of the buy trade can be no more than 4015. So it's only 100 pips of trade. So I don't think we should risk 50 to 60 pips of our previous profits to just grab 100 pips of profits. So it's not like, it seems like not a good deal. To try a buy here, our stop loss will be 1599, something like that. Let me mark it. So for 40 50 pips of stop loss, we can only target 100 pips of take profit. Yes, Nashua Canadian CPI news just gonna release today, or I think just now. But we have nothing to do with Canadian dollar, because we are trading on gold, which is by pair of USD. So yeah, don't worry about that. It's only for Canadian pairs. Guys, make sure to like the stream. Why you are not liking the stream today, guys? Today there is no US data news. Tomorrow there is no US data news. On Wednesday there is no US data news. On Thursday there is no US data news. Even on Friday there is no US data news. So the whole week we don't have any kind of news. So this week can be a slow one probably. Only the geopolitical news can ignite the market to the clear direction. Overall, we have no news, no big high impact news in this week. So the whole week can be ranging market, something like that. Probably if we can see a breakout, it will be only because of geopolitical news. Yesterday was FIFA World Cup final, so I think that's why Trump did not attack Iran yesterday. Otherwise, there was some plenty of news that Trump is gonna attack Iran again very hard with nine B-2 bombers, something like that. I hear that, or that can be the rumors as well. No, Brazilian, there is no news in this. I'm doing good, Karen, bro. How are you after a long time? I hope you are doing good. And I hope you are making good money as well. Okay, the price is gonna heading toward the demand zone. Let's see if we can get some reaction at demand zone. Otherwise, we will hold this trade. We'll hold our sell trade till the final TP. Whereas I think 3992 can get hit very easily. Alright, Karen, bro. Take your time. No worries. Just take care, bro. Yeah, Nashwa. By the way, it even did not touch the fair value gap. There was a minor difference between the fair value gap and the candle wick. So if it had touched the fair value gap, we can consider the re-entry here as well, but did not touch the fair value gap. I was looking at that. Well, it seems like let me mark it. When the price will hit this demand zone, it will go up, make a little wick on upside near 4006 or 4007. Then it will again go down, take the middle or the low of this demand zone, and then go up for a little, like 4007, 4008, or probably 4010, then can go down even more, like 3994, 3992, something like that. This seems to be the possible price action for the upcoming candles. Let's see. Seems like the price wants to fill this fair value gap till the middle of this level and then wants to go down. But yeah, let's see. It hit the fair value gap, bro. Uh, but this bullish candle seems like a risky one. I think it want to hit 4020 level probably, because previously it only hit 4014.7 and the fair value gap was at 4015. So by just few pips of difference, the price dropped in like a good. It was almost 100 pips of move previously. Now I think it will hit and grab the 50% of this fair value gap. I think. Karen Pro, it depends on the market condition right now. The candle seems to be a bullish engulfing candle. If it breaks this trend line, then I guess it can fill the 50% of the fair value gap or probably even more. I think we can take a small entry here as well. 4016 seems to be a valid small sell type of entry. 4016, 16 or 15, anything between them. Seems like 1516 can be valid entry point for. Okay, Nashwa, take it. 4012. What is your stop loss, bro? Measure. Yeah, nice place for the stop loss. Have a good day, crazy alien. When the fair value gap got filled by a big wick, then it is valid. And if a fair value gap is just tapped, then it is also valid. But if a fair value gap is filled completely, then it becomes invalid, bro. You can understand by this. We have bullish fair value gap here. The first sell candle almost filled 50% of the fair value gap, and after that we have a small fair value gap left. The next candle tries to resist the level and tries to go up, but right after that the next candle goes down again, almost cover 60% of the fair value gap, and then it started going down. That means this fair value gap becomes invalid at this second candle, because the price action shows you that the second candle is just a small wick, a big wick and a small body, which means that the price wants to go down. That means this fair value gap is invalid. So I hope you can understand this. Three major rules for the fair value gap. Alright, we will look for sells only at a pullback. We can try doing an entry at the retest level. You are welcome, bro. Yeah, Krishna, bro. I tried a lot to make videos on weekends, but yeah, there is time issue for me. I'm still struggling with many other things. I hope in this week I can find some time to make some videos or at least some shorts because I need to start a $100 challenge. I'm also working on that account as well. $100 challenge account. There are many things ongoing in my mind, and you know time issues are really very big. But yeah, I hope within next 2 to 3 days, or probably this week, I can manage and sort out my things so I can start making videos on at least weekends, shorts on regular basis. The price action seems to be very slow now, but yeah, we need to wait for the re-entry and for the final TP as well. Okay, bullish candle here. Yeah, Nasha, you can put the stop loss at break even and can hold. I'm also gonna try to do a sell entry at the pullback. One more sell entry with small lots. The price action is actually very slow, and it will be slow for the next 5 days. Stay tuned. Don't worry, guys. We can find entries obviously. Uh, let's do one more sell at 4.16 probably. We need to wait for the bullish candle to reach this level. Then we can confirm what will be our entry. Yes, I will post the entry in the group. Let me confirm it first. Alright, Krishna bro. Yeah, but it is very far away from now, from this. Market will be very slow for the next 5 days as well. Yeah, uh, I think this week we can make 3000 plus pips again. I think at this moment, when we see the volatility in the market, it was the kill zone of the London and New York session. That's why the volatility appeared here. And now we are running in the New York session. And as you know, there are no news today. And I think there is holiday in the United States as well. That's why the price action is very slow. In front of you guys, we are watching the price to be moving in this range from the past 1 hour. 1 hour and the price is just moving all range, and 50 minutes we grab this much big moves, and in 1 hour we grab only this small move, like a joke. Yeah, Nasha, very slow, kind of boring. All right, Nasha, bro, seems to be a good idea, bro, as well. Wow, Nasha, where are you going, bro? 600 kilometers. Damn. Nice, bro. Enjoy your holidays. Enjoy your vacations. Hmm, nice. All right, bro. Take care. Very boring. What should I do in the meanwhile? I'm getting bored. Okay, I just got a news. Iran ceasefire proposal sends oil down by $3. Gold can reclaim $4,000 and $4,400 levels very easily in the next week and the upcoming week. And Iran ceasefire proposal sent oil down by $3, Bitcoin up by 1%, and gold by $100. But the Brent still topped $90 as the FED official pushed for a July rate hike. And where it goes, and gold clawed back above $4,000. Bitcoin ETF posted $75.67 million in weekly inflows, led by IBIT's 204 million big tech. So, the overall summary of this news is that Iran just submitted the ceasefire proposal again to the United States. Let's see if we can get some positive news. If we get positive news, then yeah, gold can gonna fly very high. Otherwise, it will go down. But I still stick with my 3800 and 3700 levels, that the price will reach $3,700 level and $3,800 level, or at least 3885 level very easily before going up. Like before making a new all-time high, it will go down to 3885 3800 and 3700 levels. Guys, the price action is very slow today, so I think we should end this stream now because it's been a boring one. But don't worry, the next signal will be dropped in the group, so stay tuned, guys. I will drop the next signal in both groups, the public one and the free group and the VIP group. Stay tuned and get ready for the next signal. Whereas our this signal, we will keep this running, and if there is any possible re-entry, I will provide in both groups. So yeah, take care, guys. Enjoy your day. The market is very slow. You guys can watch Netflix as well. All. Yeah, Indian government, take care, bro.